Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Asus TUF A14. This is going to be the FA401 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. Then we're going to flip the computer over to access your bottom case screws. This computer has 11 screws in the bottom case, and the screw down here in the corner near the blue arrow, that screw does not actually come out of the bottom case. When you unscrew it, it just pushes up a little bit on the bottom case, but it stays inside. So this is where you would start prying it off with your pry tool. You'll go nice and slow around the edges. Don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. If you get stuck going in one direction and you can't seem to pry it up anymore, leave it alone. Go to the other side and continue in the other direction. After you get your bottom case up, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model, the FA401, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools, supplies, and replacement parts. Before touching anything in a computer, it's always wise to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Your battery is right down here along the bottom of my screen. It's held in by these 4 screws near the red arrows, and it's plugged into the motherboard right here near the blue arrow. Now, to get this plug out, there's a metal bar on top that you would gently slide up toward the top of the computer, and then you'll be able to pop this clip off. You have one speaker here toward the right of my screen, and then one speaker here toward the left. This left-hand speaker does not plug into the motherboard itself. Its wires come down here. You'll see these wires that go down all the way across, up through this threading, and then join up with these wires from the right speaker, and they plug into the motherboard right here. Now keep in mind these wires from the speakers are very fragile. Try not to pull on them if you're unplugging this or if you're unrunning these wires. Try not to pull on the wires if at all possible. Just manipulate that plug. So use your fingernails or a pry tool on either side of that plug to get it out of that port. Also, these speakers are not actually screwed down. If you'll notice these yellow rubber washers over the posts for sound insulation, that's all that's holding the speakers down. So you can easily just wiggle those up nice and careful to get those out of your computer. I will try to have some speaker replacements, although they can be hard to find for this model, but I will try to have them in that link I told you about below in the description with all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. One good thing to shout out is if you are having sound issues in your computer, if your sound is not consistent across different platforms, it may not be a speaker issue, it may be a system or driver issue. I will have a video link below in the description, also above in the video, and that will show you how to make sure all your system and your drivers are updated so you can rule that out before attempting an invasive speaker repair like this. And as long as you're in the computer, if you notice here, there's an additional solid-state drive port for you to upgrade your storage. If you're interested in how to do that, check out the video that'll pop up when this one's done playing. But that's it for this video, how to get inside your A14 and access your speakers.